Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, there was a disturbance in between. So let me start from the beginning. So, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, chapter 4, text 1. Sri Chaitanya Prasadena Tad Rupasya Vinirnayam Balo api kurute shastram drishtva vraja vilasinaha. Translation. By the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, even a foolish child can fully describe the real nature of Lord Krishna, the enjoyer of the pastimes of Braja, according to the vision of the revealed scriptures. Text 2. Jai Jai Sri Chaitanya, Jai Nityananda, Jai Advaita Chandra, Jai Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Translation. All glory to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glory to Lord Nityananda, all glory to Sri Advaita Acharya, and all glory to all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya. Text 3. Chaturtha Shlokera Artha Kaila Vivaran, Panchama Shlokera Artha Shuna Bhaktagan. Translation. I have described the meaning of the fourth verse. Now, O devotees, kindly hear the explanation of the fifth verse. Text 4, 5, 6, 7. I am reading together. मूल श्लोकेरा अर्थ करिते प्रकाश, अर्थ लगाईता आगे कहिए आभास. चतुर्थ श्लोकेरा अर्थ यही कैला सार, प्रेम नाम प्रचारिते यही अवतार. सत्य यही हेतु किंतु येहो बहिरंग, आर एक हेतु सुना आछे अंतरंग. पूर्वे जेन पृथ्वीर भार, हरिबारे कृष्ण अवतीर्ण हैला, शास्त्रते प्रचारे. Now I will read the translation. Just to explain the original verse, I shall first suggest its meaning. I have given the essential meaning of the fourth verse. This incarnation, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, descends to propagate the chanting of holy name and spread love of God. Although this is true, this is but the external reason for the Lord's incarnation. Please hear one other reason, the confidential reason for the Lord's appearance. The scriptures proclaim that Lord Krishna previously descended to take away the burden of the earth. Text 8, 9, 10. स्वयं भगवानेर कर्म नहे भार हरण स्थिति कर्ता विष्णु करेन जगत पालन. किंतु कृष्णेर जई है अवतार काल, भार हरण काल ताते हैला मिशाल. पूर्ण भगवान अवतरे जई काले, आर सब अवतार ताते आसी मिले. Translation. To take away this burden, however, is not the work of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The maintainer, Lord Vishnu, is the one who protects the universe. But the time to lift the burden of the world mixed with the time for Lord Krishna's incarnation. When the complete Supreme Personality of Godhead descends, all other incarnations of the Lord meet together within Him. Text 11 to 16. नारायण चतुर्व्यूह मत्स्यादि अवतार युग मनवंतर अवतार यत आछे आर सबे आसी कृष्ण अंगे है अवतीर्ण ऐच्छे अवतरे कृष्ण भगवान पूर्ण अतैव विष्णु तखन कृष्णेर शरीरे विष्णु द्वारे करे कृष्ण असुर संहारे आनुसंग कर्म ए असुर मारण ए लागी अवतार कही से मूल कारण प्रेम रस निर्यास करिते आस्वादन राग मार्ग भक्ति लोके करिते प्रचारण रसिक शेखर कृष्ण परम करुणा ए दुई हेतु हईते इच्छार उद्गम. So translation: Lord Narayan, the four primary expansions Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha, Matsya and other Leela incarnations, the Yuga avatars, the Manvantara incarnations, and as many other incarnations as there are, all descend in the body of Lord Krishna. In this way, the complete Supreme Godhead Lord Krishna himself appears. At that time, therefore, Lord Vishnu is present in the body of Lord Krishna and Lord Krishna kills the demons through him. Thus, the killing of the demons is but secondary work. I shall now speak of the main reason for the Lord's incarnation. The Lord's desire to appear was born from two reasons. The Lord wanted to taste the sweet essence of the mellows of love of God, and he wanted to propagate devotional service in the world on the platform of spontaneous attraction. Thus he is known as supremely jubilant and as the most merciful of all. Text 17 to 20. ऐश्वर्य ज्ञाने ते सब जगत मिश्रित ऐश्वर्य शिथिल प्रेमे नहीं मोर प्रीता आमारे ईश्वर माने आपना के हीन तार प्रेमे वश आमी ना हई अधीन आमा के ता जे जे भक्त भजे जे भावे तारे से भावे भजी ए मोर स्वभावे ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तां तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्तमानो वर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. Translation: Lord Krishna thought, all the universe is filled with the conception of my majesty, but love weakened by that sense of majesty does not satisfy me. If one regards me as the Supreme Lord and himself as a subordinate, I do not become subservient to his love, nor can it control me. In whatever transcendental mellow my devotee worships me, I reciprocate with him. That is my natural behavior. In whatever way my devotees surrender to me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follows my path in all respects, O son of Pritha. Text 21-22. मोर पुत्र मोर सखा मोर प्राणपति यही भावे जेई मोरे करे शुद्ध भक्ति आपना के बड़ माने आमारे समहीन सेई भावे हाय अमी ताहार अधीन. Translation: If one cherishes pure loving devotion to me, thinking of me as his son, his friend or his beloved, regarding himself as great and considering me as his equal or inferior, I become subordinate to him. Text 23-26. मयि भक्तिरि भूतानाम अमृतत्वया कल्पते दिष्ट्या यद आसीन मत स्नेहो भवती नाम मद आपनः माता मोरे पुत्र भावे करे न बंधन, अतिहीन ज्ञाने करे लालन पालन, सखा शुद्ध सखे करे स्कंधे आरोहण, तुम्ही कोण बड़लोक तुम्ही आमी सम, प्रिय यदि मान करी करे भर्सना, वेद स्तुति हईते हरे से मोरमना. Translation: Devotional service rendered to me by the living beings revives their eternal life. O my dear damsels of Vraja, your affection for me is your good fortune, for it is the only means by which you have obtained my favor. Mother sometimes binds me as her son. She nourishes and protects me, thinking me utterly helpless. My friends climb on my shoulders in pure friendship, saying, "What kind of big man are you? You and I are equal." If my beloved consort reproaches me in a sulky mood that steals my mind from the reverent hymns of the Vedas. Text 28-29. हे शुद्ध भक्त लैया करिमो अवतार, करीबा विविध विध अद्भुत विहार, वैकुंठ आदि नाही जे जे लीलार प्रचार, से लीला करीबा याते मोर चमत्कार. Translation: Taking these pure devotees with me, I shall descend and sport in various wonderful ways, unknown even in Vaikuntha. I shall broadcast such pastimes by which even I am amazed. Text 29-30. मो विषय गोपी गणेर उपपति भावे, योग माया करीबे का आपना प्रभावे, आमियो ना जानी ताह ना जाने गोपीगण, दुहारा रूप गुणे दुहारा नित्य हरे मन. Translation: The influence of Yoga Maya will inspire the gopis with the sentiment that I am their paramour. Neither the gopis nor I shall notice this, for our minds will always be entranced by one another's beauty and qualities. Text 31-32. धर्म छाड़ी रागे दुहे करे मिलन, कभू मिले कभू ना मिले दैवेर घटन, यही सब रस निर्यास करीबा आस्वाद, यही द्वारे करीबा सब भक्तेर प्रसाद. Translation: Pure attachment will unite us even at the expense of moral and religious duties, dharma. Destiny will sometimes bring us together and sometimes separate us. I shall taste the essence of all these rasas, and in this way I shall favor all the devotees. Text 33-34. ब्रजेर निर्मल राग सुनी भक्तगण, राग मार्गे भजे जेना छाड़ी धर्म कर्म, अनुग्रहाय भक्तानां मानुषम देहम आश्रितः, भजते तादृशी ही क्रीडा याह श्रुत्वा तत्परो भवेत्. Translation: Then, by hearing about the pure love of the residents of Braja, devotees will worship me on the path of spontaneous love, abandoning all rituals of religiosity and fruitive activity. Krishna manifests his eternal human-like form and performs his pastimes to show mercy to the devotees. Having heard such pastimes, one should engage in service to him. Text 35. भवेत क्रिया विधिलीन से यह कहे, कर्तव्य अवश्य ही अन्यथा प्रत्यवाय. Translation: Here the use of the verb bhavet, which is in the imperative mode, tells us that this certainly must be done. Non-compliance would be abandonment of duty. Text 36 to 38. यही वांछा जैचे कृष्ण प्राकट्य कारण असुर संहार अनुसंग प्रयोजन यही मत चैतन्य कृष्ण पूर्ण भगवान युग धर्म प्रवर्तन नहे तार काम कौन कारणे जबे हैला अवतारे मन युग धर्म काल हैला से काले मिलन. Translation. Just as these desires are the fundamental reason for Krishna's appearance, whereas destroying the demons is only an incidental necessity, so for Sri Krishna Chaitanya, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, promulgating the Dharma of the age is incidental. When the Lord desired to appear for another reason, the time for promulgating the religion of the age also arose. So text 39 to 41. दुई हेतु अवतरी लैया भक्तगण आपने आस्वादे प्रेम नाम संकीर्तन से द्वारे आ चंडाले कीर्तन संचारे नाम प्रेम माला गांधी पराइला संसारे. यही मत भक्त भाव करी अंगीकार अपनी आचरी भक्ति करिला प्रचार. Translation. Thus, with two intentions, the Lord appeared with his devotees and tasted the nectar of prema with the congregational chanting of the holy name. Thus he spread kirtan even among the untouchables. He wove a wreath of the holy name and prema with which he garlanded the entire material world. In this way, assuming the sentiment of a devotee, he preached devotional service while practicing it himself. Text 42 to 44. दास्य सख्य वात्सल्य आर जे श्रृंगार चारी प्रेम चतुर्विध भक्त ई आधार. निज निज भाव सबे श्रेष्ठ करी माने निज भावे करे कृष्ण सुख आस्वादने. तटस्थ हैया मने विचार यदि करी सब रस हैते श्रृंगारे अधिक माधुरी. Translation. Four kinds of devotees are the receptacles of the four kinds of mellows in love of Godhead, namely servitude, friendship, parental affection, and conjugal love. Each kind of devotee feels that his sentiment is the most excellent, and thus in that mood he tastes great happiness with Lord Krishna. But if we compare the sentiments in an impartial mood, we find that the conjugal sentiment is superior to all others in sweetness. So, text 40. यथोत्तरम असौ स्वाद विशेषोल्लासम्य अपि रतिर वासनया स्वाद. 48. यथोत्तरम असौ स्वाद विशेषोल्लासम्य अपि रतिर वासनया स्वाद्वी भासते कापि कस्यचित्. अतएव मधुर रस कही तार नाम स्वकीय परकीय भावे द्विविध संस्थान. परकीय भावे अति रसेर उल्लास ब्रज बिना इहार अन्यत्र नाही वास. ब्रजवधु गणेर ई भाव निर्वधि तार मध्य श्री राधाय भावेरावधि. Translation. Increasing love is experienced in various states, one above another. But that love which has the highest taste in the gradual succession of desire manifests itself in the form of conjugal love. Therefore, I call it Madhura Rasa. It has two further divisions, namely wedded and unwedded love. There is a great increase of mellow in the unwedded conjugal mood. Such love is found nowhere but in Braja. This mood is unbounded in the damsels of Braja, but among them it finds its perfection in Sri Radha. Text 49 to 50. प्रौढ़ निर्मल भाव प्रेम सर्वोत्तम कृष्णेर माधुर्य रस आस्वाद कारण अतएव से भाव अंगीकार करी साधिलेन निज वांछा गौरांग श्रीहरि. Translation. Her pure mature love surpasses that of all others. Her love is the cause of Lord Krishna's tasting the sweetness of the conjugal relationship. Therefore, Lord Gauranga, who is Sri Hari himself, accepted the sentiments of Radha and thus fulfilled his own desires. Text 51, 52, 53. Suresha Nam Durgam Gatir Atishayanopanishad दाम मुनिनाम सर्वस्वम प्रणत पटलिनाम मधुरिमा विनिर्यासः प्रेमनो निखिल पशु पालाम्बुज दृशाम स चैतन्यः किम मे पुनरपि दृशोर यास्यति पदम अपारम कस्यापि प्रणयजन वृंदस्य कुतुकी रसस्तोमम ऋत्वा मधुरम उपभोक्तुम कमपि यः रुचम स्वाम आवव्रे द्युतिम इह तदियाम प्रकटयन स देवस चैतन्याकृतिर अतितराम नः कृपयतु. भाव ग्रहणेर हेतु कैला धर्म स्थापन तार मुख्य हेतु कही सुन सर्वजन. Translation. Lord Chaitanya is the shelter of all the gods and goddesses, the goal of the Upanishads, the be-all and end-all of the great sages, the beautiful shelter of his devotees, and the essence of the love of the lotus-eyed gopis. Will he again be the object of my vision? Lord Krishna desired to taste the limitless nectarian mellows of the love of one of his multitude of loving damsels, Sri Radha. And so he has assumed the form of Lord Chaitanya. He has tasted the love while hiding his own dark complexion with her effulgent yellow color. May that Lord Chaitanya confer upon us his grace. To accept ecstatic love is the main reason he appeared and re-established the religious system for this age. I shall now explain that reason. Everyone please listen. Text 54, 55, 56. मूल हेतु आगे श्लोकेर कैला आभास एबे कही सही श्लोकेर अर्थ प्रकाश. राधा कृष्ण प्रणय विकृतिर आह्लादिनी शक्ति रस्माद एकात्मानाव अपि भुवि पूरा देह भेदम गतौ तौ चैतन्याख्याम प्रकटम अधुना तद्वयम चैक्यम आप्तम राधा भाव द्युति सुवलिताम नवमी कृष्ण स्वरूपम. राधा कृष्ण एक आत्मा दुई देह धरी अन्योन्य विलासे रस आस्वादन करी. Translation. Having first given hints about the verse describing the principal reason why the Lord appeared, now I shall manifest its full meaning. The loving affairs of Sri Radha and Krishna are transcendental manifestations of the Lord's internal pleasure giving potency. Although Radha and Krishna are one in their identity, they separated themselves eternally. Now these two transcendental identities have again united in the form of Sri Krishna Chaitanya. I bow down to him who has manifested himself with the sentiment and complexion of Srimati Radharani, although he is Krishna himself. Radha and Krishna are one and the same, but they have assumed two bodies. Thus they enjoy each other, tasting the mellows of love. Text 57 to 60. सी दुई एक एबे चैतन्य गोसाई रस आस्वादिते दोहे हैला एक ठाई इथी लागी आगे करी तार विवरण जहा हैते है गौरेर महिमा कथन राधिका है न कृष्णेर प्रणय विकार स्वरूप शक्ति आह्लादिनी नाम जहार आह्लादिनी कराए कृष्ण आनंद आस्वादन आह्लादिनीर द्वारा करे भक्तेर पोषण. Translation. Now, to enjoy rasa, they have appeared in one body as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Therefore, I shall first delineate the position of Radha and Krishna. From that description, the glory of Lord Chaitanya will be known. Srimati Radhika is the transformation of Krishna's love. She is his internal energy called Ahladini. That Ahladini energy gives Krishna pleasure and nourishes his devotees. Text 61 to 65. सच्चिदानंद पूर्ण कृष्णेर स्वरूप एक ही चित शक्ति तार धरे तीन रूप आनंदांशे आह्लादिनी सदंशे संधिनी चिदंशे संवित जारे ज्ञान करी मानी. आह्लादिनी संधिनी संवित त्वयि एक सर्व संस्थितौ आह्लाद ताप करी मिश्र त्वयि नो गुण वर्जिते. संधिनीरा सार अंश शुद्ध सत्व नाम भगवानेरा सत्ता है यहाँ ते विश्राम. माता पिता स्थान ग्रह शय्यासन आरे सब कृष्ण शुद्ध सत्वेर विकार. Translation. Lord Krishna's body is eternal, Sat, full of knowledge, Chit, and full of bliss, Anand. His one spiritual energy manifests three forms. Ahladini is his aspect of bliss, Sandhini of eternal existence, and Samvit of cognizance, which is also accepted as knowledge. O Lord, you are the support of everything. The three attributes, Ahladini, Sandhini, and Samvit, exist in you as one spiritual energy, but the material modes which cause happiness, misery, and mixtures of the two do not exist in you, for you have no material qualities. The essential portion of the Sandhini potency is Shuddha Sattva. Lord Krishna's existence rests upon it. Krishna's mother, father, abode, house, bedding, seats, and so on are all transformations of Shuddha Sattva. Text 66 to 69. Sattvam Vishuddham Vasudeva Shabditam Yad Yate Tatra Puman Apavratah सत्वे च तस्मिन् भगवान वासुदेवो हय अधोक्षजो मे मनसा विधीयते. कृष्णे भगवत ज्ञान संवितेरसार ब्रह्म ज्ञानादिका सबतार परिवार. आह्लादिना सार प्रेम प्रेम सार भाव भावेर परम काष्ठा नाम महाभाव. महाभाव स्वरूपा श्री राधा ठाकुरानी सर्वगुणा खानी कृष्ण कांता शिरोमणि. Translation. The condition of pure goodness, Shuddha Sattva, in which the Supreme Personality of Godhead is revealed, without any covering is called Vasudev. In that pure state, the Supreme Godhead, who is beyond the material senses and who is known as Vasudev, is perceived by my mind. The essence of the Samvit potency is knowledge that the Supreme Personality of Godhead is Lord Krishna. All other kinds of knowledge, such as the knowledge of Brahman, are its components. The essence of the Ahladini potency is love of God. The essence of love of God is emotion, bhav, and the ultimate development of emotion is Mahabhav. Sri Radha Thakurani is the embodiment of Mahabhav. She is the repository of all good qualities and the crest jewel among all the lovely consorts of Lord Krishna. Text 70, 71, 72. तयोरपि उभयोर मध्ये राधिका सर्वथाधिका महाभाव स्वरूपेयम गुणैरतिवरीयसी कृष्ण प्रेम भाविता जारा चित्तेन्द्रिय काय कृष्ण निज शक्ति राधा क्रीडार सहाय आनंद चिन्मय रस प्रतिभाविताभिस ताभिर्य एव निज रूपतया कलाभिः गोलोक एव निवासति अखिलात्म भूतो गोविंदमादि पुरुषम तमहम भजामि. Translation of these two gopis, Radharani and Chandravali. Srimati Radharani is superior in all respects. She is the embodiment of Mahabhav and she surpasses all in good qualities. Her mind, senses and body are steeped in love for Krishna. She is Krishna's own energy and she helps him in his pastimes. I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord who resides in his own dream Goloka with Radha, who resembles his own spiritual figure and who embodies the ecstatic potency Ahladini. Their companions are her confidants who embody extensions of her bodily form and who are imbued and permeated with ever blissful spiritual rasa. Text 73 to 77. कृष्ण रे कराय जैछे रस आस्वादन क्रीडार सहाय जैछे सुन विवरण कृष्ण कांता गण देखी त्रिविध प्रकार एक लक्ष्मी गण पूरे महिषी गणार ब्रजांगन रूप आर कांत गणसार श्री राधिका हईते कांत गणेर विस्तार अवतारी कृष्ण जैछे करे अवतार अंसिनी राधा हईते तीन गणेर विस्तार वैभव गण जेना तारा अंग विभूति बिंबा प्रतिबिंब रूप महिषिरा तति. Translation. Now please listen to how Lord Krishna's consorts help him taste rasa and how they help in his pastimes. The beloved consorts of Lord Krishna are of three kinds: the goddesses of fortune, the queens and the milkmaids of Praja, who are the foremost of all. These consorts all proceed from Radhika. Just as the fountainhead Lord Krishna is the cause of all incarnations, so Sri Radha is the cause of all three consorts. The goddesses of fortune are partial manifestations of Srimati Radhika and the queens are reflections of her image. Text 78 to 81. Lakshmi Gana Tara Vaibhav विलासांश रूपा महिषी गण वैभव प्रकाश स्वरूपा आकार स्वभाव भेदे ब्रज देवी गण काय व्यूह रूप तारा रसेर कारण बहु कांत बिना नहीं रसेर उल्लास लीलार सहाय लागी बहुत प्रकाश तार मध्य ब्रजे नाना भाव रस भेदे कृष्ण के कराए रासादिक लीलास्वादे. Translation: The goddesses of fortune are her plenary portions, and they display the forms of Vaibhav Vilas. The queens are of the nature of her Vaibhava Prakash. The Brajadevis have diverse bodily features. They are her expansions and are the instruments for expanding rasa. Without many consorts, there is not such exaltation in rasa. Therefore, there are many manifestations of Srimati Radharani to assist in the Lord's pastimes. Among them are various groups of consorts in Braja who have varieties of sentiments and mellows. They help Lord Krishna taste all the sweetness of the Ras dance and other pastimes. Text 82, 83, 84. Govinda Nandini Radha, Govinda Mohini, Govinda Sarvasva Sarvakanta Shiromani, देवी कृष्णमयी प्रोक्ता राधिका परदेवता सर्वलक्ष्मीमयी सर्वकांति ही सम्मोहिनी परा. देवी कही द्योतमाना परमा सुंदरी किम वा कृष्ण पूजा क्रीडारा वसति नगरी. Translation: Radha is the one who gives pleasure to Govinda, and she is also the enchantress of Govinda. She is the be all and end all of Govinda and the crest jewel of all his consorts. The transcendental goddess Srimati Radharani is the direct counterpart of Lord Sri Krishna. She is the central figure for all the goddesses of fortune. She possesses all the attractiveness to attract the all-attractive personality of Godhead. She is the primeval internal potency of the Lord. Devi means resplendent and most beautiful, or else it means the lovely abode of the worship and love sports of Lord Krishna. So, next text 85 to 88. कृष्णमयी कृष्ण जार भीतर बाहिरे जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र पड़े तहाँ कृष्ण स्फुरे. किम वा प्रेम रसमय कृष्णेर स्वरूप तार शक्ति तार सह है एक रूप. कृष्ण वांछा पूर्ति रूप करे आराधने अतैव राधिका नाम पुराने बखाने. अनया राधितो नूनम भगवान हरिरीश्वरः यन्नो विहाय गोविंदः प्रीतो याम अनयद रह. Translation: Krishnamai means one whose within and without are Lord Krishna. She sees Lord Krishna wherever she casts her glance. Or Krishnamai means that she is identical with Lord Krishna, for she embodies the mellows of love. The energy of Lord Krishna is identical with him. Her worship, Aradhana, consists of fulfilling the desires of Lord Krishna. Therefore, the Puranas call her Radhika. Truly, the personality of Godhead has been worshipped by her. Therefore, Lord Govinda, being pleased, has brought her to a lonely spot, leaving us all behind. Text 89 to 92. अतैव सर्वपूज्य परमदेवता सर्वपालिका सर्वजगतेर माता सर्वलक्ष्मी शब्द पूर्वे करियाची व्याख्यान सर्वलक्ष्मी गणेर तिन्हो है अधिष्ठान. किम वा सर्वलक्ष्मी कृष्णेर सद्विध ऐश्वर्य तार अधिष्ठात्री शक्ति सर्वशक्ति वर्य सर्व सौंदर्य कांति विषय जहाते सर्वलक्ष्मी गणेर शोभा है जहाँ हिते. Translation: Therefore, Radha is Paramadevata, the supreme goddess, and she is worshipable for everyone. She is the protectress of all, and she is the mother of the entire universe. I have already explained the meaning of Sarvalakshmi. Radha is the original source of all the goddesses of fortune. Or Sarvalakshmi indicates that she fully represents the six opulences of Krishna. Therefore, she is the supreme energy of Lord Krishna. The word Sarvakanti indicates that all beauty and luster rest in her body. All the Lakshmis derive their beauty from her. Text 93 to 97. किम वा कांति शब्दे कृष्णेर सब इच्छा कहे, कृष्णेर सकल वांछा राधा ते रहे, राधिका करे न कृष्णेर वांछिता पूरण, सर्व कांति शब्देर ही अर्थ विवरण, जगत मोहन कृष्णा ताहर मोहिनी अतैव समस्तेर परा ठाकुरानी। राधा पूर्ण शक्ति, कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्तिमान, दुई वस्तु भेद नाई शास्त्र प्रमाण। मृगमद तार गंध यैछे अविच्छेद, अग्नि ज्वालाते जैछे कभू नाही भेद। Translation: Kanti may also mean all the desires of Lord Krishna. All the desires of Lord Krishna rest in Srimati Radharani. Srimati Radhika fulfills all the desires of Lord Krishna. This is the meaning of Sarvakanti. Lord Krishna enchants the world, but Sri Radhika enchants even him. Therefore, she is the supreme goddess of all. Sri Radha is the full power and Lord Krishna is the possessor of full power. The two are not different as evidenced by the revealed scriptures. They are indeed the same, just as musk and its scent are inseparable, or as fire and its heat are non-different. Text 98 to 103. राधा कृष्ण जैचे सदा एक ही स्वरूप, लीला रस आस्वादिते धरे दुई रूप, प्रेम भक्ति सिखाइते आपने अवतरी, राधा भाव कांति दुई अंगीकार करी। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य रूपे कैल अवतार, एत पंचम श्लोकेर अर्थ प्रचार, षष्ठ श्लोकेर अर्थ करिते प्रकाश, प्रथमे कहिए से श्लोकेर आभास। अवतरी प्रभु प्रचारिल संकीर्तन, एहो बाह्य हेतु पूर्वे करियाची सूचन। अवतारेर आर एकाचे मुख्य बीज, रसिक शेखर कृष्णेर से कार्य निज। Translation: Thus Radha and Lord Krishna are one, yet they have taken two forms to enjoy the mellows of pastimes. To promulgate prema bhakti, devotional service in love of Godhead, Krishna appeared as Sri Krishna Chaitanya with the mode and complexion of Sri Radha. Thus I have explained the meaning of the fifth verse. To explain the sixth verse, I shall first give a hint of its meaning. The Lord came to propagate Sankirtana, that is an external purpose, as I have already indicated. There is a principal cause for Lord Krishna's appearance. It grows from his own engagements as the foremost enjoyer of loving exchanges. Text 104 to 108. अति गूढ़ हेतु से त्रिविध प्रकार, दामोदर स्वरूप हिते जहार प्रचार। स्वरूप गोसाई प्रभुर अति अंतरंग, ताहाते जाने न प्रभुर यही सब प्रसंग। राधिकार भाव मूर्ति प्रभुर अंतर, से भावे सुख दुख उठे निरंतर। शेष लीलाए प्रभुर कृष्ण विरह उन्माद, भ्रममय चेष्टा आर प्रलापमय वाद। राधिकार भाव जैसे उद्धव दर्शने, से भावे मत्त प्रभु रहे रात्रि दिने। Translation: That most confidential cause is threefold. Swarupa Damodar has revealed it. Swarupa Gosai is the most intimate associate of the Lord. He therefore knows all these topics well. The heart of Lord Chaitanya is the image of Sri Radhika's emotions. Thus, feelings of pleasure and pain arise constantly therein. In the final portion of his pastimes, Lord Chaitanya was obsessed with the madness of separation from Lord Krishna. He acted in erroneous ways and talked deliriously. Just as Radhika went mad at the sight of Uddhava, so Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was obsessed day and night with the madness of separation. Text 109 to 116. रात्रे प्रलाप करे स्वरूपेर कंठधरी, आवेशे आपन भाव कहे उघाड़ी। जबे एई भाव उठे प्रभुरा अंतरा, सेई गीति श्लोके सुख देन दामोदरा। एबे कार्य नाही किछु ये सब विचारे, आगे यह विबरिबा करिया विस्तारे। पूर्वे ब्रजे कृष्णेर त्रिविध वयो धर्म, कौमार पौगंड आर कैशोर अति मर्म। वात्सल्य आवेशे कैला कौमार सफल, पौगंड सफल कैला लैया सखावल। राधिकादि लैया कैला रासादि विलास, वांछा भरी आस्वादिला रसेर निर्यास। कैशोर वैसे काम जगत सकल, रासादि लीलाए। तो अपि कैशोरक वयो मानयन, मधुसूदनः रेमे स्त्रीरत्न कुटस्थः, शपासु क्षपिताहितः। Translation. At night he talked incoherently in grief with his arms around Swarupa Damodar's neck. He spoke out his heart in ecstatic inspiration. Whenever a particular sentiment arose in his heart, Swarupa Damodar satisfied him by singing songs or reciting verses of the same nature. To analyze these pastimes is not necessary now. Later I shall describe them in detail. Formerly in Braja, Lord Krishna displayed three ages, namely childhood, boyhood, and adolescence. His adolescence is especially significant. Parental affection made his childhood fruitful. His boyhood was successful with his friends. In youth, he tasted the essence of ras, fulfilling his desires in pastimes like the Rasa dance with Srimati Radhika and the other gopis. In his youth, Lord Krishna made all three of his ages and the entire universe successful by his pastimes of amorous love like the Rasa dance. Lord Madhusudana enjoyed his youth with pastimes on autumn nights in the middle of the jewel-like milkmaids. Thus he dispelled all the misfortunes of the world. Text 117 to 125. Vacha Suchita Sarvari Rati Kala Pragal Bhyaya Radhikam Vrida Kunchita Lochanam Veera Chayan Agre Sakinam Asau Tad Vaksho Ruha Chitra Keli Makari Panditya Param Gatah Kaishoram Safali Karoti Kalayan Kunje Viharam Hari Hari Resha Nached Avatarisyan Mathurayam Madhurakshi Radhikacha Abhavishyad Yam Vrtha Visreshtir Makarankas Tu Visheshatas Tadatra. हे माता पूर्वे कृष्ण रसेर सदन यद्यापि करीला रस निर्यास चरवण तथापि नहिला तीन वांछित पूरण ताहा आस्वादिते यदि करीला यतन। ताहार प्रथम वांछा करिए व्याख्यान कृष्ण कहे आमी हई रसेर निदान। पूर्णानंदमय आमी चिन्मय पूर्ण तत्व राधिकार प्रेमे आमा कराए उन्मत्त ना जानी राधार प्रेमे आचे कत बल जे बले आमारे करे सर्वदा विभल। राधिकार प्रेम गुरु आमी शिष्य नट सदा आमा नाना नृत्य नाचाय अद्भुत कस्माद वृंदे प्रिय सखी हरे पाद मूलात कुटो असौ कुंदारण्ये किम यह कुरुते नृत्य शिक्षाम गुरु कह तम त्वन मूर्ति प्रतितरुलताम दिग्विदिक्षु स्फुरन्ति शैलो शिव भ्रमति परितो नर्तयन्ति स्वपश्चात. Translation: Lord Krishna made Srimati Radharani close her eyes in shame before her friends by his words relating their amorous activities on the previous night. Then he showed the highest limit of cleverness in drawing pictures of dolphins in various playful sports on her breasts. In this way, Lord Hari made his youth successful by performing pastimes in the bushes with Sri Radha and her friends. O Paurnamasi, if Lord Hari had not descended in Mathura with Srimati Radharani, this entire creation, and especially Cupid, the authority of love, would have been useless. Even though Lord Krishna, the abode of all mellows, had previously in this way achieved the essence of the mellows of love, still he was unable to fulfill three desires, although he made efforts to taste them. I shall explain his first desire. Krishna says, I am the primary cause of all rasas. I am the full spiritual truth and am made of full joy, but the love of Srimati Radharani drives me mad. I do not know the strength of Radha's love, with which she always overwhelms me. The love of Radhika is my teacher, and I am her dancing pupil. Her prema makes me dance various novel dances. O my beloved friend Vrinda, where are you coming from? I am coming from the feet of Sri Hari. Where is he? In the forest on the bank of Radha Kunda. What is he doing there? He is learning dancing. Who is his master? Your image Radha, revealing itself in every tree and creeper, in every direction, is roaming like a skillful dancer, making him dance behind. Text 126 to 133. निज प्रेम आस्वादे मोर है जे आह्लाद ताहा हैते कोटि गुण राधा प्रेम आस्वाद आमी जैछे परस्पर विरुद्ध धर्माश्रय राधा प्रेम तैछे सदा विरुद्ध धर्ममय राधा प्रेम विभु जार बाड़ी ते नाही ठाई तथापि से क्षणे क्षणे बाड़ये सदाई जहा वही गुरु वस्तु नाही सुनिश्चित तथापि गुरुर धर्म गौरव वर्जित जहा इते सुनिर्मल द्वितीय नाही आर तथापि सर्वदा वाम्य वक्र व्यवहार विभुरपि कलयन सदाभिवृद्धिन गुरुरपि गौरवचर्यया विहीनः मुहुरुपचित वक्रिमापि शुद्धो जयति मुरद्विषि राधिकानुरागः से प्रेमेर श्री राधिका परमाश्रय से प्रेमार आमी हई केवल विषय विषय जातिया सुख आमार आस्वाद आमा हईते कोटि गुण आश्रय आह्लाद. Translation: Whatever pleasure I get from tasting my love for Srimati Radharani, she tastes 10 million times more than me by her love. Just as I am the abode of all mutually contradictory characteristics, so Radha's love is always full of similar contradictions. Radha's love is all pervading, leaving no room for expansion, but still it is expanding constantly. There is certainly nothing greater than her love, but her love is devoid of pride. That is the sign of its greatness. Nothing is purer than her love, but its behavior is always perverse and crooked. All glories to Radha's love for Krishna, the enemy of the demon Mura. Although it is all pervading, it tends to increase at every moment. Although it is important, it is devoid of pride, and although it is pure, it is always beset with duplicity. Sri Radhika is the highest abode of that love, and I am its only object. I taste the bliss to which the object of love is entitled. But the pleasure of Radha, the abode of that love, is 10 million times greater. Text 134 to 137. आश्रय जातीय सुख पाइते मन धाय यत्ने आस्वादिते नारी की करी उपाय कभू यदि एई प्रेमार हये आश्रय तबे एई प्रेमानंदेरा अनुभव है एत चिंती रहे कृष्ण परम कौतुकी हृदये बाडये प्रेम लोभ धक धकी एई एक सुन आर लोभेर प्रकार स्वमाधुर्य देखी कृष्ण करे न विचार. Translation: My mind races to taste the pleasure experienced by the abode, but I cannot taste it. Even by my best efforts, how may I taste it? If sometime I can be the abode of that love, only then may I taste its joy. Thinking in this way, Lord Krishna was curious to taste that love. His eager desire for that love increasingly blazed in his heart. That is one desire. Now please hear of another. Seeing his own beauty, Lord Krishna began to consider. So, till here today I am reading. Tomorrow I will continue this. Hari Bol, Dandat Pranam.